Welcome to PropertyAce.org, redefining real estate with a dash of spark. Your insider look at unconventional real estate tips and game-changing investment strategies. Embrace innovation while conquering home buying, gliding through rental management, and dancing through interior design trends. Add a splash of creativity with house renovation and DIY home improvement ideas. Stay ahead with the latest market trends and rock your journey with our first-time homebuyer tips. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And let's make property your dynamic canvas.
Kenya, a land of vibrant wildlife, breathtaking landscapes, and a rich cultural tapestry that will make your heart skip a beat. Are you ready to embark on an incredible adventure? Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to relocate to Kenya on a budget in simple steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Planning. The key to any successful relocation begins with thorough planning. Start by researching the best time to visit Kenya, checking visa requirements, and exploring cost-effective travel options. Websites like Skyscanner and Kayak can help you find affordable flights to Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. Step 2. Lighten the load. Moving can be a hassle, but don't worry, we've got a solution. Make a list of essential items you can't live without and leave behind the rest. Pare down your wardrobe, donate items to charity, or maybe even have a garage sale. Remember, the lighter your baggage, the easier your journey. Step 3. Accommodation hunt. Are you tired of paying outrageous hotel rates? Well, we have a secret for you. Explore the wonderful world of homestays, local guest houses, or even rented accommodation. Not only will you save a hefty chunk of change, but you'll also get a more authentic experience of Kenyan culture. Just make sure to read reviews and double-check the location for convenience. Step 4. Money matters. Let's talk about money. To ensure you make the most of every penny, it's wise to exchange your currency at local banks or reputable money exchange bureaus. They usually offer better rates compared to airports or hotels. And hey, don't forget to let your bank know about your travel plans so your card doesn't get blocked. Nobody wants a financial surprise during a safari. Step 5. Embrace the adventure. Now that you've made it to Kenya, it's time to explore like a local. Grab a guidebook, or better yet, download a travel app like Maps.me or Lonely Planet, which offers offline maps and instant delicious foods, markets, and immersing yourself in the colorful and vibrant Kenyan way of life. Kenya is a land of wonders, from the majestic Mount Kilimanjaro to the breathtaking Masai Mara. Soak in the beauty of its national parks, witness the Great Migration, or even volunteer at wildlife conservation projects. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, friends. Relocating to Kenya can be an exciting and affordable adventure. Just remember to plan, pack light, find budget-friendly accommodation, mind your money, and embrace the incredible journey that awaits you. Get ready to create unforgettable memories, make lifelong friends, and discover the magic that makes Kenya so special. So pack your bags, hop on that flight, and let Kenya steal your heart.
Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time for another insight into the exciting world of property.